Okay, this is the update to my how-to video on how to hook up the Telemetry TM1000 by Spektrum. As you may have seen in the other video, last time I went to hook this up, I hooked up the voltage to the incorrect spot. I hooked it up to the RPM where I should have hooked it up to the temperature / voltage spot here in the center using the Y harness that comes with the telemetry unit. So this is an update to that video. What we want to do here is hook up this wire, which goes for the bind data port on your Spektrum receiver, and that goes into the data port on the telemetry unit. And here I've got my temperature sensor and my voltage sensor, which I have on a jumper cable on the battery connector. I'll show on the other side again just as a refresher from my first video. And then this will plug into the volt temperature slot in the centerpiece like so. The last time I did this, I plugged in the voltage to the RPM and it fried the telemetry module. So this is a brand new telemetry unit. I also have a piece of double-sided tape here that I will use to mount to the side. And that should work right in there. And then I'll feed this antenna down into the center here. It's all styrofoam. There's no metal in there, so it shouldn't affect the signal. Okay. Now I will shut the camera off, turn this over, hook up a battery, and see if we can get it to bind this time. And I'll show you how to do the bind also. Okay, here I got the plane turned the other way on the other side, or turned it over. As you may have seen in the other video, I made a jumper to go between the ESC and the battery, and then I've got the wires to the voltage sensor connected to the jumper. This way I could take it out and move it to another plane if I wish, and then that way it's not permanently soldered onto the ESC side as to what it, I think they recommend that in the instruction book for the telemetry module. But basically you just want to be able to put your sensor voltage leads across to whatever voltage you want to monitor. In this case here I want to monitor the battery voltage. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in now, make sure that everything is off there. And then we'll flip this over and see if we can get it to bind. Alright, now I'll flip it over. And the telemetry module comes with a bind plug. And let's see if I've got it here. Oh, it doesn't come with a bind plug. It comes with a kind of like a little pin that you stick in there. There we go. Got a little knob on it. So in order to bind this, get it to go into bind mode, and along with your transmitter to go into bind mode, you just push and hold that button and then turn on your receiver. I'm trying to reach up underneath here to turn on the switch that I've got. And there we go. And there we got a flashing light on all 3 units. And then we turn on, well, I got to set up my transmitter here for the right model. There we go. Throttle high, flaps. Everything is set there. We're on yak. Now let's see, are we still in bind mode? Yep. Push in your trainer and turn it on. And telemetry. There we go. We're looking good. Now it should show me the voltage across my, yes, across the battery, 16.7. We are good to go. Alrighty, hope that helps you guys. And if you watch my other video, you'll see what not to do and I'll also post a link to that other video as well. Thank you much, and we'll see you on YouTube.